Here are options to prevent smoke detector activation from cooking vapors. One option is to relocate the smoke detector. Explore other locations in the hallway that may be further away from the kitchen and bathroom. Consider installing the detector on the ceiling instead of the wall, as vapors tend to rise. 2. Install a heat-only smoke detector. Heat-only smoke detectors activate at higher temperatures than smoke detectors, making them less sensitive to cooking vapors. However, they may not detect smoke produced by smoldering fires. 3. Install a smart smoke detector with the silence feature. Smart smoke detectors can send alerts to your phone. Some models offer a silence feature that allows you to temporarily disable the alarm remotely if triggered by false alarms, such as cooking vapors. 4. Improve ventilation. Ensure the vent hood is working properly and extracting vapors efficiently. Open windows or use a fan to increase air circulation. 5. Use a microwave or toaster oven instead of the stove. Microwave ovens and toaster ovens produce less vapor than stovetop cooking. Consider using these appliances for meals that don't require frying or grilling. 6. Adjust cooking practices. Avoid overcooking or burning food. Use a low heat setting and cover pots and pans when possible. Turn off the stove or oven when not in use. 7. Install a remote smoke alarm. Place a smoke alarm in a remote location, such as a bedroom or basement, that is less likely to be affected by cooking vapors. 8. Disconnecting the smoke detector is an option, but not recommended. As a last resort, you can disconnect the smoke detector in the hallway. However, this is not recommended as it compromises the safety of your home. Smoke detectors are crucial safety devices that provide early warnings of fire. Understanding the technology and proper placement will enhance safety. Smoke detectors come in two primary types: ionization and photoelectric. Ionization smoke detectors are generally more responsive to flaming fires. They contain a small amount of radioactive material between two electrically charged plates, which ionizes the air and allows a current to flow. When smoke enters the chamber, it disrupts the current, triggering the alarm. Photoelectric smoke detectors are more responsive to slow, smoldering fires. They use a light source and a sensor. When smoke enters the chamber, it scatters the light, directing it onto the sensor, which then triggers the alarm. The National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, recommends installing both types of smoke detectors or combination detectors that use both technologies. This ensures comprehensive protection against different types of fires. Smoke detectors should be installed on every level of a home, including the basement, and outside each sleeping area. Within sleeping areas, they should be placed inside each bedroom. It is also advisable to install smoke detectors in hallways and common areas. Avoid placing smoke detectors in or near kitchens and bathrooms, where cooking fumes and steam can cause false alarms. In kitchens, consider using heat detectors instead of smoke detectors. Heat detectors respond to rapid increases in temperature rather than smoke. Install smoke detectors on the ceiling or high on the wall, typically within 12 inches of the ceiling. Smoke rises, so this placement ensures early detection. Avoid placing smoke detectors near windows, doors, or air vents, as drafts can interfere with their operation. Test smoke detectors monthly to ensure they are working properly. Press the test button on the detector and listen for a loud, clear alarm sound. If the alarm does not sound, replace the batteries immediately. Batteries should be replaced at least once a year, or as recommended by the manufacturer. Some smoke detectors have a low battery warning signal, usually a chirping sound, which indicates that the batteries need to be replaced. Consider using long-life batteries to reduce the frequency of battery replacements. Dust and debris can accumulate inside smoke detectors, affecting their sensitivity. Clean smoke detectors regularly, at least twice a year, by vacuuming or gently brushing them. Replace smoke detectors every 10 years, or as recommended by the manufacturer. Over time, their sensors can become less reliable. Check the manufacturing date on the detector to determine when it needs to be replaced. Interconnected smoke detectors are wired together, so when one detector detects smoke, all the detectors in the home sound an alarm. This provides an early warning throughout the house, even if the fire starts in a remote area. Wireless interconnected smoke detectors use radio frequency technology to communicate with each other. These are easier to install in existing homes, as they do not require wiring. When installing interconnected smoke detectors, follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully to ensure they are properly connected. Smart smoke detectors offer additional features such as mobile alerts and remote silencing. These detectors connect to a home's Wi-Fi network and send notifications to a smartphone or tablet when smoke is detected. They also allow users to silence false alarms remotely, which can be useful in preventing unnecessary panic. Some smart smoke detectors integrate with home automation systems, allowing them to trigger other devices, such as turning on lights or unlocking doors. Consider the power source when selecting smoke detectors. Battery-powered smoke detectors are easy to install, but require regular battery replacements. Hardwired smoke detectors are connected to the home's electrical system and have a battery backup. This ensures they will continue to operate even during a power outage. Dual-sensor smoke detectors combine ionization and photoelectric sensors in a single unit. These detectors provide comprehensive protection against both flaming and smoldering fires. Look for smoke detectors that meet the standards of Underwriters Laboratories or UL. UL-listed smoke detectors have been tested and certified to meet rigorous safety requirements. When purchasing smoke detectors, consider the size of the area they need to protect. Larger rooms may require multiple smoke detectors to ensure adequate coverage. If a smoke detector frequently sounds false alarms, try relocating it to a different location or replacing it with a different type of detector. Cooking fumes, steam, and dust are common causes of false alarms. Educate all members of the household about fire safety and the importance of smoke detectors. Conduct regular fire drills to practice evacuation procedures. Ensure everyone knows the location of fire extinguishers and how to use them. Develop a fire escape plan that includes multiple escape routes and a designated meeting place outside the home. Keep hallways and stairways clear of obstructions to ensure easy access during an emergency. Consider installing fire sprinklers in the home for added protection. Fire sprinklers can quickly suppress fires, minimizing damage and increasing the chances of survival. Test fire sprinklers regularly to ensure they are working properly. Carbon monoxide, or CO, is a colorless, odorless gas that can be deadly. Install carbon monoxide detectors in the home to protect against CO poisoning. CO detectors should be placed outside sleeping areas and on every level of the home. Test CO detectors monthly and replace them every 5 to 7 years, or as recommended by the manufacturer. Radon is a radioactive gas that can cause lung cancer. Test the home for radon and install a radon mitigation system if necessary. Consider the specific needs and risks of the household when selecting smoke detectors and other fire safety equipment. Families with young children or elderly individuals may require additional safety measures. Check local building codes and regulations for specific requirements regarding smoke detectors and fire safety. Keep smoke detectors and other fire safety equipment in good working condition to ensure they provide effective protection. Regular maintenance and testing are essential for maintaining a safe home environment. Following these guidelines will help ensure the smoke detectors are installed and maintained properly, providing reliable protection against fire. Proper placement, regular testing, and maintenance are crucial for effective fire safety. Remember to replace batteries annually, clean detectors regularly, and replace the entire unit every 10 years. Understanding the different types of smoke detectors and their functionalities will enhance fire safety measures. Regularly reviewing and updating the fire safety plan can significantly improve the safety of the household. Heat detectors are less prone to false alarms from cooking vapors. Smart smoke detectors offer convenient features like remote silencing and mobile alerts. Interconnected smoke detectors provide early warning throughout the entire house. Ensure the chosen smoke detectors meet UL standards for safety and reliability. Educating all household members about fire safety is crucial for effective emergency response. Having a well-defined fire escape plan and practicing it regularly ensures everyone knows what to do in case of a fire. Regularly inspect and maintain all fire safety equipment to ensure they are in proper working condition. Consider installing fire sprinklers and carbon monoxide detectors for comprehensive home safety. Adjust cooking practices to minimize smoke and vapors. Proper ventilation can reduce false alarms.